Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is the bell work from Friday. Hopefully you guys have attended this, and now you're watching the video so that you know how to do it. So number 6 says, the diameter of a round skating rink is 13 meters. Find the circumference to the nearest meter. So I'm going to do this over here. So I have a round skating rink. I have a diameter of 13 meters. And it's asking me for the circumference to the nearest meter. So I'm going to use this circumference formula since we have the diameter. I'm going to plug in 3.14 for pi. The diameter is 13. Let me do a quick calculation. And I get 40.82, but it's supposed to be rounded to the nearest meter, so that's 41 meters. Let me go ahead and change colors here. Okay, number 7 says the vertices of triangle ABC are this, and we're supposed to draw that. So let's see, 1, 1 is here, 5, 1 is here, and 3, 3 is here. So here's my original triangle, and let's see, this is going to be A, B, C, and I'm going to change colors. And then it says, draw the triangle in its image A prime, B prime, C prime, translated 4 units to the left. So we're going this direction, so we're going to subtract. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's A prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's C prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is B prime. So I'll need to write my new coordinates. So A prime is -3, 1. B prime is 1, 1. And C prime is -1, 3. Okay. Let's go with a different color. Let's see if I can find my, there it is. Number 8 says graph x is greater than or equal to -2 on the number line. So I know I'm starting at -2. And since I have this equal sign, I'm going to fill this in. And then my arrow tells me what direction to highlight, so I'm going to highlight this direction. Okay. And then let me pick a different color. Last one, number 9, it says Natasha found that the 15 inches from her knee joint to her hip joint was 1/4 of her total height. What was her total height? So let's see. What I would do, so I would say, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that 15 is 1/4 of her total height. So I'm going to say that her total height is going to be 4 times 15, which is equal to 60. So her total height is 60 inches. All right, let me know if you have any questions.